Hi guys, I'm Lincoln with AskLincoln.org and my first free course, my Entrepreneurship course. Entrepreneurs are linked in many fields and are determined in a different way by different people. The word has his origin in French and it has developed into many meanings that related to people who accept the risks, starting a business. Entrepreneurs are the ones who are the founder of the company and also are the one who takes the risks in their business. Usually, the common knowledge with entrepreneurs is that they are one who is builders of new entities which is made to offer advanced or present services or products in the market. There is also profit and non-profit matters may vary according to the type of business management. They are considered one of the most vital parts of this capitalistic world. They are one who takes the credit of profit and loss as they are the one who takes control of the funds. These require a lot of hard work and fulfilling the demand in that particular area. They are the one who provides satisfaction to our need and gets benefit in exchange for the supplying. Their mostly focus relies on the gain of profit with a product or service. There are various types of entrepreneurs in the market. As with upcoming technology and services, there are entrepreneurs satisfying everyone's need. Nowadays entrepreneurs are more developed compared to the old days. Risks can't be calculated and estimated. Risks are dominated by insurance principles. There are many methods through which their degree or frequency can be evaluated. Entrepreneurs are qualified for both as decision maker and performer. They provide you answer to straightaway and long full-term requirements, which are unattainable even when business procedures are carefully analyzed. They are planners for increasing their resources. They mix the factors like land resources, capital, labor and other sources which helped in making the products which would meet the demands of a person. As he is an organizer, he has the power of leading, and as a leader, organizers have the right to set things in their places. Leaders should have mixtures of values and abilities which would support the group.